guys, this is Sumaya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about the construction of the roofs and the dormer. We received an email from one of our subscriber, Dorota Ozulska. Hello, my name is Dot. I have watched every single one of your videos. I learned a lot from you. Thank you for your hard work and sharing your skills. I always struggle to build a proper roof, especially when there are dormers and the vaulted roofs. Even when I use the cutout tool, I have either the missing parts of the roof or sticking out bits and pieces. Please could you have a look at my drawings and give me some advice how to build it. Thank you very much for your response. Okay, so Dot has sent us few files of her project. Basically the project wherein there are double pitched roofs and the dormers. Okay, these are the dormers. I'll not be using these files for Dialog's Evo tutorial today because I'll be sharing the plans with you guys so that you can practice. I don't have the AutoCAD files from Dot. I have only the images, so it's better we work on different file but which has the same roofs and the dormer. So here I have considered a sample project. I have the 3D AutoCAD file of this one. I'll be sharing with you the AutoCAD file and also my Dialogs file to download. The link will be available in the description. Please note the link will expire or in a week from the date I'm posting it on the YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the post notification. So whenever I upload a new tutorial on YouTube, you do not miss my files to download or you don't miss my tutorials. Let's get started. So this is my sample project wherein I have already placed the roofs, the dormers. Okay, we are going to work on this file. Okay, so very first thing you need to consider in your project is study your drawing and identify different types of roofs you have in your project. Okay, let's go and see what are the different types of roofs we have. For that, let's understand the parts of the roof. So we can have flat roof, which is just a normal roof. Okay, then we have double pitch roof. Double pitch roof is nothing but a triangle that consists of two surfaces and joint which are connected with the ridge on the top. So this is a double pitch roof. This is a hip roof because they have a sloping end. Like these two surfaces resemble double pitch roof, but we have a sloping end here, so it is a hipped edge, so it is a hipped roof. Then we have a dormer, we have a skylight, we have a chimney. Okay, this is slightly, it's not totally flat, it's slightly inclined. Next, where we have two roofs meeting, like here our double pitched roof and our hipped roof, where these two are meeting there is a valley. Okay, so these are different parts of the roof. There is also eave. Okay, eave is nothing but the extra part what you see here of the roof extending from the wall. Okay, so these are the different parts of a roof. Now let's go and identify the different roofs we have in our project. We'll start from here itself because I have already constructed. So we have double pitch roof. Okay, since it makes a triangle, it has two surfaces and it is connected with a ridge. Okay, next we have again a double pitched roof. Okay, we have a double pitched roof with a chimney here and two dormers here. For the window, one double pitched roof. Here too we have a double pitched roof, but yes, there's something different here. Where there are two roofs connecting, we have a formation of valley here. Right now we have identified all our roofs. So this was the first step. Now what is the second step? Second step is start by constructing the simplest part of the roof. Okay, don't start with the complicated part, start with the simplest one. So here I think this one is the simplest. So when I'm making the simplest, so let's get back to our file. Okay, so whenever you're making any construction for the roofs, you have to be in the story mode, right? Okay, I'll go to the plan view and here I need the roof. Okay, you can see this red line resembles the ridge of the roof. Okay, So we'll go to the roof section and select double pitch roof. Okay, it is already selected. Now you have two options: automatically place the roof, or you want to draw the roof. If you place automatically, it will cover your whole space, so it's better to draw the roof. Okay, select draw the roof. Okay, if you want to switch off the AutoCAD file, you can go and click this. Okay, then start from one point, extend and take it till the back. Okay, now you can see it seems to be proper. Let's check. Yeah, it is correct. We have placed it. Let's go and check in the 3D rendering. Okay, two of our walls are not cut with the roof. For that, what we can do, we can slightly extend it, because I don't want the walls. Now, correct. Keep the roof selected. Switch on the AutoCAD file. If you see the position of my roof and the AutoCAD file is not matching, so the roof what I have placed, it's very down compared to the AutoCAD file. So I'm going to select it and move it up. Okay, you can go to the side views and place it properly. So we are going to bring it down, but still when I'm bringing it down, it doesn't match to the AutoCAD roof. So what we have to do the changes here. The first thing we need to understand is the roof pitch here. What is the roof pitch? Okay, the angle between the two surfaces of the roof. So we'll go to our file. So we'll go to our project, roof pitch. We are going to change it to say 26 degrees. Okay, you can now see the angle between the two surfaces have increased. I'll move this up. Seems perfect. We have exactly placed it on the AutoCAD. Yes, correct. We'll save the file. You can go to the material catalog and use any textures to place it on the roof. Done. Okay, so this is how you place a double pitched roof in your project. All you need to understand is the roof pitch. You can check the angles in your AutoCAD file to properly input the angle roof pitch in the dialogues. While working on this kind of projects, consider all the section and elevation details of the AutoCAD plan. Okay, so next step is we are going to draw a double pitched roof here, which is here for this one. Okay, so we'll go to the story mode again, go to the plan view, and we are going to draw it here. Okay, and your roof is placed. Okay, we are going to hold the roof, bring it up. Previously we considered the roof pitch to be 20. Here too we'll consider it as 26 degrees. Bring the roof up. Okay, it's actually down. In the AutoCAD plan you can see it properly. So here is where it is placed. Done. Let's check in the 3D model. Perfect. Save the file. Apply some texture. Proper. Now this is a complicated part, wherein for this roof, at one side we have a valley here, and one side we have dormers. So if I place directly the double pitched roof, it will be a problem for me to place the dormers. So for that one, we are not going to use a double pitched roof. We are going to slightly change it. Okay, we are going to draw into two equal halves. For that, we'll go to the story mode, roofs, and select single pitch roof. Using two single pitch roof, we can make a double pitch roof. We'll go to the plan view. First, we'll finish this side where we have this valley. Draw roof. Select the first point on the ridge, second point on the other end of the ridge, and drag it to the other side. let's go and check in our 3D model. Yes, correct. This wall is still available, so we'll slightly scale it. Perfect. Let's check it out in the elevation. Roof pitch, make it 26 and adjust the height. So if you see here, the roof is only till here, but my roof in the Dialux is slightly bigger than the AutoCAD roof. For that, if you want to reduce the size of the roof, you can go to the roof structure. Now at this 0.2, I can make it 0.15. Okay, and then move it. Done. Perfect. Now here the roof pitch is 26.5. So this is how it's going to look. Perfect. We are going to add the texture. Now here we have a valley. To make the valley, either we can extend the same roof like this. Okay, so if you extend the same roof, the inner part of your wall will get cut. So here if you see, the wall is cut though you have got the roof. Control Z. If you don't want to cut the part of your wall, it's better to draw it using the extrusion volume. So how we are going to do is go to the elevation, or maybe I can switch off the, and this is the roof I need. So I will select furniture on objects, go to the extrusion volume, select extrusion volume and draw extrusion body. Trace this part of the roof. Once you have finished, close polygon. It will be rotated after you have finished drawing. Go to the 3D model. You can see it's rotated. You can make it 0 degrees or you can rotate it. Go to the plan view and edit it again. All you have to do is just scale it properly. And now extend it. Scale it. Perfect. Here you can see now there is no cut walls. You can apply the texture to this. Replace material. Here the texture is positioned in the rotated set. No worries, you can click on the texture, and if you go at the one side of the texture, you have this rotating tool. You can select this and rotate it. So this was your pro tip. Now you can see it looks like one part. The same way we are going to the other end. Select and rotate it. Now you can see it's properly placed. So this was our valley. No missing edges, no cuts. Perfect. Okay, next thing we are going to draw dormers. Before going to dormers, make sure you have drawn the inner and outer contours properly. Okay, so this is a room for the dormer. Okay, what is a dormer? It's basically a window which is projecting out vertically outwards of the roof, right? So make sure you draw the inner contours and outer contours, especially where the dormers are there, very precisely. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to draw the dormers first. For that we are going to select the double pitch roof, go to the story mode, plan view and draw roof. Select the first point, second point and extend it. Assign the roof pitch properly, make it up. So here the roof pitch, I guess it's not 26, maybe it's 38, the roof pitch. So we have placed the roof for the dormer. We are going to place for the other dormer as well. So we'll go to the story mode. Perfect. Now we are going to draw the other parts of the roof. Go to the story mode, plan view. Here we have the dormers, and this is the other side of the roof, right? So till here maybe we can draw one part of the roof, and since we have the dormers here, we will draw the single pitch roof through in sections. Okay, so how we are going to draw is, go to the roofs, select single pitch roof, draw roof, select the first point of the roof slightly below the dormer, maybe here, extend it till the end, and then drag it down. Eaves angle, we'll keep it 26 degrees. Oh, it is rotated, so we'll rotate it to this side. We'll go to the plan view, elevations, and bring the roof to the top and place the roof properly. Here the roof structure is 0.15, so we'll make even this one to be 0.15. Here the roof pitch is 26.5. Here too we'll make it 26.5 and make it proper. This both the roof, so the ridge is proper, this point is proper. This is perfect. We can extend the roof because we have the roof till here, so we can scale it directly. Check the roof pitch once you're using the scale tool, because the roof pitch may increase or decrease, so accordingly you can change the roof pitch again and place the roof structure. Now it's perfect. And done, properly placed. We'll apply some texture to this. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is, what we did is we are drawing the roof in sections. We have finished the first section. Second section will be this part, and the third section will be this part. Now then we'll be having a missing cutouts here. For that again we are going to draw the same roof in fourth section and fifth section, right? So let's go to the roof and draw it. So this is my second section, second part. Draw roof, first point, second point, and extend it. First point, second point, you can rotate it if it is not in the proper position. Give the proper roof pitch angle, go to the plan view, go to the side views and properly place it. We'll make the roof structure same as everything, 0.15, and roof pitch to be 26.5. Done. We are going to repeat it on the other side too. Done. Now we are going to draw the same single pitch roof on the near the dormers as well. We'll go to the plan view. So this is how you draw the other part of the roof. We'll do it again for this roof. So we have placed even the single pitch roof near the dormers and also the dormers. They are perfect. So if I on the AutoCAD plan, here I have the extended ceiling. You can draw it using the same single pitch roof and extend it. Okay, this part you can make it using extrusion volume, the same way we made the valley here, right? So for now, I will just show you how to extend the ceiling here, extend the roof here. Go to the story mode, draw roof, first point, second point, and extend it. So it is in the opposite direction. You can rotate it if it is in the opposite direction. Give the proper roof pitch, 26 degrees, and adjust the height. Apply the texture. Perfect. We'll save the file. So this is how you make double pitch roof and the dormers in the Dialux Evo. It's quite simple if you divide it in the sections. Make use of double pitch roof, single pitch roof. Make sure you're drawing the inner and outer contours properly and study the AutoCAD drawings. Study the details of roof pitch, roof structure, so that you can make the accurate construction without any missing parts or any extended cutouts. So guys, this is it in this video. If you found the tutorial helpful, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to explore more in Dialux with me. Thank you.